Hi, my name is Vishwanath, and in this video, we are going to talk about India's ban on single use plastic that will be put in effect from 2022. We all know about the glories that India has achieved over the period of time. But did you know India currently holds 12th rank in mismanagement of plastic waste? And did you know India is the world's largest plastic waste producer? Not the fact we wanna hear, right? But plastic slowly is becoming an endemic, for which we need to find a cure for. As the Central Pollution Control Board stated, that India generates 25,940 tons of plastic every day. That sums up to 9.46 trillion tons of plastic every year. And the most concerning part out of all of this is India collects only 60% of the plastic and recycles it. Rest 40% is littered in the environment, which causes a greater harm. Keeping in light all the measures and all the problems that India is currently facing, the center has put in prohibition on manufacturing, selling, stocking, and distribution of single-use plastic products like earbuds, plastic spoons, plastic plates, forks, plastic sticks for balloons, etc. This all will be prohibited from July 1st, 2022. Ministry is also making it compulsory to increase the thickness of the plastic bags that we currently use so that it can be more durable and reusable. We all know that in our Indian households we have big plastic bag filled with small plastic bags so that we can reuse it. Thanks to our moms that they have taught us a good way to reuse our products. The number of times we rely on plastic has increased over the decades because companies have found a better way to package more goods in less space with the help of plastic packaging, which in turn reduces their production cost and increases their profit by far. Unless we stop this trend where we purchase eco-friendly products and sustainable products, we will be facing an endemic type of a situation in a country where we are already facing the world's largest population problem. This small bit can also add to a bigger problem which will be faced by our upcoming future. I guess we don't want to live this world in a way where our kids and our future can live in a dump of plastic. Instead, they should have a pleasant life as we had with greenery all surrounded. There are many simple ways where we can change our product buying pattern as we are always cautious when we buying something, but we should start becoming an eco-cautious person where we also check about the packaging what we are buying and the companies providing so that we make healthy choices for our future and for us. Thank you. See you in the next video.